One of the interesting objects exhibited in the National Museum is the inscribed bowl. The bowl is very beautiful and decorated. It was made of clay and its surface is covered with white glaze. The glazed ceramic vessels was very common in the Middle Ages, and this bowl is considered one of the finest examples of such works. To further enhance the beauty of the vessel, on the surface is written an inscription. The inscription is placed on the inner side of the bowl, running around the upper part in one line. Written in large black Arabic script, Al-Hadu min al-alamat al-fuqdi, which means envy is a sign of inner loss. Such inscriptions in ceramic vessels had educational and moral significance, guiding people toward proper behavior. This bowl was discovered during archaeological excavations in Hulbuk in 2005 and dates back to the 10th-11th centuries. Dear guests, if you wish to learn more information about these unique artifacts, we warmly invite you to visit the National Museum.